sauces can be very calorie dense, and when they're calorie dense, it's way easy to consume.
And that's like, I guess my point of like it all is like it can really look like you're doing really well, like the things you order, but you can easily like
Somebody has their
oh my god, we're not advertising, but if you want an AOA hoodie, you know, I guess it all comes back to like where you want to spend your calories. Mm-hmm. Like if you want the sauce and that's, you know, it's your favorite part of it, go wild, like eat a pack of it, but just know that it comes at a cost. It's not just free calories now. You know, you don't get to just add the calories of your food, but you also have to figure out like how you cook the food, like what you put on top of the food, what you drink with the food, like all these things that come alongside the food that sometimes get forgotten. Liquid calories and condiment calories are like, I should say 3 things, like what you use to cook your food in, calories, then condiment calories, then like extra liquid calories that you're taking in.
Yeah, and the prep calories like you're talking about, I think that's what frustrates a lot of people when they're trying to use a fitness tracker, because you go to a restaurant, like you can try to get something clean, but you don't know if it's prepared with butter or what type of oils they're using or like how much of that's going in. So instead of getting overwhelmed and frustrated with those unknown factors, I always tell people like try to buckle down with what you can control. So okay, you can't control the prep, but you know, like if you're going to order a medium or large fry, you know if you're going to choose ranch dressing or a vinaigrette or no dressing at all, right?
Right, and that's exactly right, man. Like, it couldn't be more. That is exactly what you look for. Like, don't stress out over those like small things that are happening in the kitchen. You can control with how much you consume of what you order. And you can control what you put on what you order, you know, so just do your best to like control those factors. And then, you know, when you can, make your own food, because that's obviously the most control you can have over the food you ingest.